I was at the Raccoon CB repair in Sefner, Florida. He made me some quick connects for my CB. They come apart, they pull right apart in two like this. They ain't coming apart like that. Where'd he go? They plug back together like that. He made two different ones for me. The one, this one's gonna go in the car. It's got the disconnects too. The quick connects, that's the one. And then this one here is for in the house. And this will be able to connect the radio right to the box in the house that powers the radio. We got a Galaxy DX-95T radio with a static mic. We got the Wilson 1000 antenna. All I gotta do is wire up the wire from the battery to the into the car. I gotta figure out how to do it. This nice heavy wire, I think is it 16 gauge, 12 gauge? It's not 8. This right here is 8. I wish it could be all 8 like that. It's thicker. This is a nice radio. It's the Galaxy DX-95T2. They don't make it anymore, I don't think. I'd highly recommend the Raccoon. There's no CB repairs in my county, Pinellas County. I had to go all the way to Sefner. It's on the other side of Tampa. It's maybe close to 40 miles each way. But I wanted this done right. He shrink wrapped them. I like the way he shrink wrapped those. Both of them are shrink wrapped. He shrink wrapped 4 total. I could have did it myself with those acorn nuts, but I didn't want to. I wanted it to be right. He did all that for maybe 45-minute time it took him for $20. That's really cheap. Raccoon CB Repair, Sefner, Florida, just outside of Tampa. The only bad thing, he won't work on a sideband radio. This is sideband. He just works on AM. And there was a problem with this, with the volume control knob. I had to turn it louder than I wanted it to be able to hear it. And he took it apart, and there's spray you spray on it, but mine is sealed volume control, so it can't be fixed like that with spray. He said just turn it on and off, on and off, on and off. Just keep doing it and it'll work its way out of what it was doing. I hope it don't mess up completely, because the volume control can't just be changed. You have to change the whole board. That'd be horrible to have to change the whole board in the CB. I really like this radio. It's a good talking radio. Filming in a Sony 4K HDR AX33 camcorder. I really like these quick connects, because I'll never leave the radio ever in the car overnight. I can pull it in and out. I don't put it in there anyways. It's never been in there yet, other than to ride to the CB shop. I'll set it up so I can take it in and out all the time.